Hi almal. So ons kyk nou na persentasie samestelling. Dis is on page 280 van jou handboek. Dan vra hulle vir jou, jy moet die persentasie samestelling van NaHCO3 bereken. So, first thing you're going to do when you calculate percentage composition is you're going to calculate the molar mass of this whole compound. So, ons wil die molare massa van hierdie hele verbinding hê. So, ons gaan hom uitwerk. Natriumsin is 23, hydrogen is 1, carbon is 12, en ons 3 suurstowwe. So, you're going to say 3 times 16. Dit gee vir jou totaal van 84 gram per mol. Now, individually, you've got each one as the following. You're going to write down each one separately as well. And then also, but only a single oxygen. Okay. Nou, persentasie samestelling beteken, how much, if you look at it like this, if you got your mark back from your test, it's out of 100, the percentage is out of 100. That means I want to know how many did you get out of the possible mark that you could have gotten. So, hierso wil ek weet, van daai totaal, hoeveel van hierdie hele verbinding bestaan uit natrium, waterstof, carbon, and oxygen. So I'm going to break it down every time. This one, in this case, I'm going to write it down next to each other. This case, it's going to be 23 out of 84, just like a test, times 100. Dit gaan vir jou gee 27.38%. You've got your second one. Oh, why did I do that? Dit gaan vir jou 1.19% gee. This one, 84 times 100, gee vir jou 14.29%. And your last one is 16. But, remember, there's 3 oxygens. So it's times 3 out of 84, mole 100. That gives you 57.14%. So dit is die persentasie samestelling van elke liewe individuele element in this compound. So you're going to calculate the full amount of molar mass for the whole compound. Jy gaan elkeen sin individueel bereken, and then it's like a mark of your test, this point out of the total, this point out of the total, die een oor die totaal, die een oor die totaal. And you want it in percentage, so you have to say times 100. And then if you calculate all of these, it's going to end up with 100% as well. Dit is persentasie samestelling.